Hello guys, so I will be working on this iPad Air 4 which is not charging. So if you connect the charger here, it does show this charging icon, but actually it's not charging, and as you can see here it's only drawing 0.47 amps, which is not correct for this bigger battery on iPad Air 4 because it should be close to 1.5 or 2 amps. So it could be battery, it could be charging port, it could be charging circuit. So now to actually check what it could be, we can use a tool here, this one. To get a bit of indication what it could be. So we will connect to type C here and press this button. Can you see what it tells us? So as you can see, it says check dock flex. So honestly speaking, they are not always 100% correct. So now I will remove the screen and get back to you in 15 minutes. Okay, now the first thing I would like to check is the battery. Oh, I hate this light reflection. Battery has got 3.2. Battery looks okay. Now the next thing is to plug in the charger and check what we are getting here. 0.3. see, and definitely with this voltage it's not gonna charge this big battery, so most probably yes, it is the charging port. Now we will remove the board to replace the charging port. Okay, the board is out now. Rest of the things I'm gonna work under the microscope. Okay, before we put the screen, let's check any changes in the amp meter reading. As you can see, it's drawing 1.28 amps, which should be okay. Now let's connect the screen. Trying the correct amps, 1.73. we will leave it for, because battery is completely drained out, so we will leave it for a few minutes and see how it goes. After 10 minutes it turned on, and as you can see it's okay. That's all done. Thank you very much for watching. See you, bye.